Airtel unveils 20,000 crore rupees NBFC plan to power its next growth engine. Bharti Airtel has announced a major expansion plan for its NBFC subsidiary, Airtel Money Limited, marking a significant step into India's fast-growing digital lending space. The company plans to capitalize the NBFC with 20,000 crore rupee over the next few years. Airtel will contribute 70% of the capital, while the promoter group through Bharti Enterprises Limited will bring in the remaining 30%. This structured capital infusion highlights the group's long-term commitment to building a high-scale financial services platform. Airtel Money received its NBFC license from the Reserve Bank of India on February 13, 2026. With regulatory approval now in place, the company is preparing to scale its lending operations more aggressively. Over the past 2 years, Airtel has already built a strong lending service provider platform. The company has disbursed over 9,000 crore rupee through its digital credit engine, supported by advanced underwriting models, disciplined portfolio management and real-time risk monitoring systems. Management has highlighted that the existing lending platform has achieved hyperscale adoption with strong delinquency performance metrics. The NBFC expansion is designed to strengthen this foundation and provide direct balance sheet capability for future growth. India's formal credit to GDP ratio stands at around 53%, indicating significant headroom for credit penetration. Airtel aims to leverage its large customer base, digital distribution network and 500+ data scientists to expand access to simple and secure financial products. The disbursement journey of the NBFC will be integrated with Airtel's existing lending platform while maintaining operational segregation between the two structures. This approach is expected to deliver a seamless customer experience while ensuring regulatory compliance. With this move, Airtel is positioning financial services as a key growth engine beyond telecom. By combining technology, analytics and scale, the company is targeting long-term diversification and deeper financial inclusion across India. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.